So things I cannot control. Focus on what matters is the book that I'm reading, by the way. And something happened to this phone of mine, and it is like it is not charging. It is just remain at 7%. We can put this cable. Okay, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. And this is my apple I was gifted. So you see, that is 7%. It will remain there for a whole day, and that sucks. So it cannot control my feelings. It cannot control how I feel. I'm team positive, and I'm going to make sure I stay positive. I cannot control. All thing I can do is just take it to the mechanic of the phone. Did I say a mechanic? For repairs. Okay, my girlfriend just say it. My wife. Let me use the word my wife. Yeah, she's my wife, and she say I'm taking to the repair, so I want to go and see about it, because if I say my phone is there, blah 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 blah, and I start feeling negative about it, and I cannot control about it, I cannot force it to charge. No, I cannot allow that. Destroy my day. So I look like I need some oil. There's ladies oil. For the first time I feel like I need oil. I've just seen my hands. My hands are... Oh, do not think like that thing, boy. Don't think. So I don't know. I feel like I needed this to moisture my skin. Even man we need this smoothening our skins. You don't know. Many times I don't use it. So I'm out. I'm heading out. Look at what my baby is doing. Look at on my bed. She just put a basket on the bed. How? How? What is this? Okay. I don't blame her. Maybe she has forgotten. Hi. Why did you put this on the on the bed? Why? Okay. That is my girlfriend. See, give me a kiss. I say bye. Give me a kiss. Look at her. Look what she's doing. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Oh,
give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, please. Give me a kiss. I want to say bye.
I have one.
Even me, I have it.
No,
we have a cough. She gave me a cough, by the way. She gave me a flu. She gave me a flu. It is a cough.
Flu.
Is it a flu?
Flu.
Is it a flu or a cough? Because I feel... Oh, look at her. Okay. She didn't want to give me a kiss. Okay, bye. See you. Thank you for not giving me a kiss. Okay. No problem. She just left me like that. Like that. Imagine I'm going outside there and she hasn't given me a kiss. Is that fair? Okay, let's go. I want to put my shoes. She's going to wash clothes. She's an amazing woman, by the way. I'm leaving the day. So let's go. Let's start the day. I hope the day will be fun. Yeah? So here is where I brought my phone. I brought my phone here for repairing. Here. I hope that won't give me a strike. So here. Okay, here is where I've brought my phone. This is my technician. The only technician for iPhones.
Lazima tuwarudishie mali vizuri. Shida ni?
Nene amenambia nilete. Unajua imeleta ile ujinga ya nini ya battery.
Okay.
Ngoja kwa sababu niangalie. Alafu bado screen ni kama bado ina hang.
Na shake. Okay. Hello. Okay.
Ndio technician mwingine hapa nyuma. So this is my town. This is my town. This is my town. Yeah. What can I do in my town? What can I get? I didn't drink tea. I don't want to look for a soda. Maybe I can get here. I get maybe a juice. A juice will be fine. Left here. I don't take drink because of the sugar. I check on sugars. I left sugar, so I don't use sugars anymore. This thing contains sugar, by the way. Energy, protein, totally sugar. Of which totally sugar, 15 grams. Yeah, that is a lot. That's a lot of sugar in my body, so I cannot take that. I used to take that one. There was one that came with zero sugar. Zero sugar. Oh, it has gone up already. Now it's 1.99. Red Bull is free sugar. Will it give me wings? I need some wings. This thing was on offer. Okay, we took them yesterday. This to be on offer yesterday. Done with the supermarket, and this is my town, my small town, my village town. So I'm heading to the house. I'm heading back to the house. Oh shit! I'm heading to the house, and I'm looking for somebody who knows me, who can carry me back to the house. If that is the most decent way to go home. The bank. This is my bank. I cannot record a bank in Kenya. So they're changing my town. They're trying to put some cabros on my town. Driving that car is supposed to take me. So that is another bank. This is my bank in my area. As you can see, this is my beautiful town. They're trying to change some cabros on this town. The new look for my town. And the next month, I think there will be cabros on this where we are walking. All my road will be that, and this town is an army town. Yeah. So I went driving inside there, and that driving school was changed to that place. These are driving schools. To be honest, what did driving school do? I'm trying to be very confident on my camera. I take some milk. I don't drink some milk. So that is. So that is the school I went for driving. Unangoja nani?
Bado, Trigo.
Inama kabisa. 2 Trigo. Nasikia tu watu wanakichoka choka.
Nimefunga.
Haya sasa.
Smith wewe.
Nadi.
Beautiful. Simameni tu hapo. Acha iende katikati yao.
Enda.
Ndio katikati yao.
Ngoja nikutengenezee kiatu. Hakuna kufanya.
Haya.
Keti. Mshike mguu?
Yes.
Hivyo.
Na wewe? Shikilia. Enda kwa mguu mwingine.
Ndio ushike mguu mwingine. Usipanue mguu sana, wewe soka mbele. Wewe na hii kabulogi kako, ngoja nikutengenezee. Tufunike hii radi yako.